So it's
wow.
crumbling, like you say, with this briciola.
The only thing that I would add, salt.
Ah, yeah.
That would be the only thing, but that's good.
Yeah, because with the Thai sauce, I don't know.
Do you guys have requesón?
Yeah.
That's what it reminds me of. Requesón.
Yeah. More on the crema side.
Yeah, it's good.
I'm gonna see your
Aguacate. Oy.
Yeah.
Can you put
That's good.
it just was salt for me. This, can you put that inside the Okay, peeps, I'm going to let's put queso, let's say queso fresco for the
It's good.
It is good.
Certified.
Hello guys! Today we make queso fresco with only $3-4 because 2 liters of milk here in Thailand are almost $3, 100 baht, and the vinegar is very cheap, so we can say $1 of vinegar here will be only 20 cents. Why I'm doing this cheese? Because my Mexican friends, they challenged me yesterday evening. We had dinner together, we are talking about this cheese, and I say, why you don't make it? It's super easy, because it's like ricotta cheese but even more full of taste, or like cottage cheese, super easy. So they say, oh, if it's so easy, why you don't make it? So Eric and Naodi, they challenged me, and also a little bit Flavito. So now I will make it, and after they need to taste it to see if it's the queso fresco or not. Now I put the 2 liters of milk inside the pot, and we should reach 90 Celsius degree or 190 Fahrenheit degree. Please be careful, especially if you use this kind of stove. Remember to stir all the time and low the power, because last week I was doing the ricotta cheese and I burnt everything because the cheese stick to the bottom, so please be careful. Waiting to reach the 90 Celsius degree or 190 Fahrenheit degree, I can tell you the amount of vinegar that you need for 2 liters of milk. You need 85 ml of vinegar or lemon juice or other kind of sour stuff. You can use also the lime. You can use different kind of vinegar, up to you. Here I'm using the distilled vinegar because in Thailand it's very easy and common to find. The classic vinegar is more complicated. You can find here rice vinegar. Remember that also the vinegar can give a taste to your cheese. So with this one that is distilled, you will taste only the cheese and not the vinegar. We add the vinegar and we stir very well. We remove the pot from the stove because the stove is still hot, so if the temperature keep growing, will stick to the bottom of the pot, so be careful. Now we should wait 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, up to you. And after we can filter our cheese. I will use this colander. I hope it's the right name, every time I make confusion. And this filter, this is a filter bag, they say, but it's not a bag, it's a sheet. Okay, we put like this because we collect also the whey. please don't throw away these because they are protein. So remember, Naodi and Eric and also Flavito, you that go to the gym, you can drink it. It's perfect protein, even better than the one that you buy. So if you don't go to the gym like them, you can use it when you bake pizza or when you bake bread instead of the water. Don't worry, when you are doing the Queso Fresco, you have now the camera in the middle, so you will put everything in the container instead of spread around like I've done. Don't worry, I already cleaned it. Now it's too hot, so you cannot store in the fridge now. You need to wait and reach the room temperature. Now we need to add the salt to our cheese. For this amount of cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt is enough. Please be careful with the salt, if not after become salty. If you notice that it's still too wet, you can squeeze a little bit. Please be careful because it's still hot. We mix very well so that the salt go everywhere, and after we put in a container. Sorry, I have only this one. I hope that it's not too big. With this will be easy to remove it. And our Queso Fresco is ready, so see you later for the tasting. At the end, from 2 liters of milk, we got 400 grams of cheese.
Oh, no.
Ooh. Looks nice.
It does.
So
Oh,
it's
wow.
crumbling, like you say. This is briciola. So take it one each.
Let's
If
try.
it's too big. Okay, let's see.
That's good.
Bigger the better.
1, 2, 3.
That's really good.
Yeah, we need to speak loud because
Spectacular.
we are
That's-
without microphone. Sorry guys.
This
really
is
good.
good.
Perché 2 microfoni, siamo in 3.
Spectacular.
I feel like I'm in Mexico. No, it's good.
Good queso fresco.
Really good.
Buono.
Look at this. Crumble. Nice.
Yeah, that's a good
Perfect.
thing. Crumbles.
Maybe crumble too much.
Just like, no, it's perfect. Just like queso fresco.
Ok, quindi la challenge era che si doveva sbriciolare, però un po' mi sto soffocando perché senza bere e mangiare è andata una briciola per traverso.
Certificado.
Ok,
Ciao.
ciao ciao!
Really good.
This is good.